Namaste. In this video, I will be explaining to you the privileges and immunities of the members of Parliament. The Constitution confers certain privileges and immunities on the Parliament collectively and to the members thereof individually to enable the Parliament to act and discharge its functions effectively. Members of Parliament are given somewhat wider personal liberty and freedom of speech under Article 105 than an ordinary citizen enjoys, for a house cannot function effectively without the unimpeded and uninterrupted use of their services. First privilege given to the MPs is the freedom of speech in Parliament. The essence of parliamentary democracy is a free, frank, and fearless discussion. Therefore, freedom of speech in Parliament is expressly secured to MPs by clauses 1 and 2 of Article 105 of the Constitution. This freedom is subjected only to Article 118 and Article 121. Article 118 requires the members to abide to the rules and standing orders regulating the procedure of the House, and Article 121 restricts discussion by the members on the official conduct of judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts, except when a motion for their removal is under consideration. The constraints on freedom of speech under Article 118 and Article 121 are to prevent denigration of freedom of speech into an unrestrained license of speech and protect the integrity of the judiciary respectively. And MPs are immunized against judicial proceedings with respect to anything said or any vote given in Parliament or a committee thereof. If any MP exceeds the limits imposed by Articles 118 and 121, he will be dealt by the Speaker or by the House itself, but not by the court. In Tej Kiran Jain versus Sanjeeva Reddy, the Supreme Court, while rejecting the appeal filed by the disciples of Shankaracharya against the High Court's dismissal of their suit for damages against 6 MPs for their derogatory words they had spoken against Shankaracharya at a discussion in the Parliament, emphasized that whatever is said in the Parliament, that is, during the sitting of the Parliament and in the course of the business of Parliament, is immunized. The second privilege given to the MPs is freedom from arrest. Clause 3 of Article 105 protects the MPs from arrest on a civil proceedings within a period of 40 days before and 40 days after a session of Parliament. The object of this privilege is to secure the regular attendance of members on the scene of their parliamentary duties. And this privilege extends only to civil arrest and not to arrest on a criminal charge or for contempt of court or to preventive detention. And when arrested, a member of Parliament has the right to communicate with the Parliament, to make representations to the Speaker and the Chairman of the Committee of Privileges. The third privilege is freedom from jury service. Clause 3 of Article 105 exempts MPs from jury service. MPs may decline to give evidence and appear as a witness in a court of law when Parliament is in session. Thus, under Article 105, MPs are given greater freedom of speech in parliamentary discussions, protection from arrest on a civil charge within a certain period, and an exemption from jury service while Parliament is in session. These privileges are found on the paramount right of the House to the attendance and service of its members. Hope this video helps you.